Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Amazon speaker with your Android device. Okay, so first of all we have to find the power button. It's located right here, and we have to wait until this indicator starts blinking quickly on the blue. So click and hold it.
Power on.
Right now we have to release and just take a look on the indicator. You will also hear the voice notification when it moves to the pairing mode.
Pairing.
There it is. Next, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your device. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And take a look on available devices list. As you can see, that's the model of our speaker. So we have to tap on the name once. Accept the pairing request that will pop on the screen. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. As you can see, that's very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.